So one of the things that you could do with your videos to kind of get some engagement, kind of to get closer to your audience, is to premiere your videos. Now, it's kind of similar to a live stream. I'm sure you guys seen it where you see the creator live and then you put comments. Now, in this case, it's a little bit different. In this case, the video is going to be already recorded. You're going to upload it. You're going to schedule that video, but then you're going to premiere the video. So essentially what it means that on that time, the video is going to come out live and then you're going to be able to be in the comments and socialize, answer questions. Maybe you got videos about specific events and you want to answer some questions and things like that. Again, is an amazing thing because you could be with your audience, but obviously when you premiere a video, you want to be present to be able to answer questions. By the way, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And I'm going to show you real quick how to upload, schedule, and premiere a video. Okay, so I decided to use this channel because it's obviously monetized and I want to go through the monetization as well. But you're going to come up here where it says upload. You're going to click upload and then you're going to click over here. And there's a couple different ways you could do this, but I'm going to do it just like this. Click there and then double click on the video. Now, obviously, you're going to have a bunch of different information here in the description. I definitely advise you to go to the uploads default and put all that in there so you don't have to do it all the time. But again, I got links to some of my channels. I got some affiliate links in there as well. And I usually write a little bit of description in here in the top. So I may write something like, in this video, I am talking, and, you know, I put some other stuff in there, right? So if we go a little bit down right here, again, you're gonna have where you're gonna put the thumbnail. So simply you're gonna click right here on the thumbnail, you're gonna pick your thumbnail, double click, and it's gonna show right there. Always have a thumbnail. It's one of those practices that you need to have. I mean, really highly recommend it. And then you're gonna come over here to playlist. You're gonna pick a playlist. Obviously, always pick a playlist. I'm just picking one just to show you, but you should have all your videos in different playlists and all that, right? If you go a little bit more down, I'm going to click this content is not for children, and then I'm going to click right here where it says show more, right? Obviously, if you have any sponsorship or anything like that, you're going to have to click that. My video contain paid promotion, right? So again, we're going to keep going a little bit down, and right here is where we're going to put some of the tags. I'm going to do another video on tags just to show you what I do. But again, you're going to write some of the information, the title or the video that you have, and some of those keywords that you want the system to have in place, right? We're going to click next. And right here, we're going to monetize this video, right? So we're going to click monetization. We're going to click on, and we're going to give it an okay. If you go all the way down, I mean, I highlight everything because I want to maximize my money. But if I go all the way down right here, if the video is over 8 minutes long, you are allowed to put some mid rolls as well. So you can click on a link that will be right here and you can set out more advertisements in the middle of the video, right? You're going to click next. And now you're going to come into monetization right here. You know, you pick whatever you have to pick. Obviously, if you click adult content here, there's going to be some information and then you're going to pick whichever applies to your video, right? In the case of this, we're going to click all the way down. We're going to submit it. Again, you have to submit your rating. And remember, the more that you do this the right way, the more that YouTube is going to trust you and the more that they're going to be able to monetize your channel. Click next. Here you could put some of the cars and things like that. I always like to put like an ending screen. You can see right here it's going to show. And I do like to put cars as well. So we're going to click right here. Then we're going to pick a car and we're going to put it wherever we think it will be the appropriate place to put it, right? So we're going to click save and we're going to come next, right? YouTube is going to do a little bit of verification right here. And now here you're going to have different choices, right? You're going to have the first choice right here, which is private, unlisted, members only, and public, right? So essentially private is private, unlisted, it will be only people that have that link. Members only is if you have members in your channel and you want to release content specifically for them. Or public will be everyone, right? Everybody can see the video. You can also schedule. This is what I do all the time. I schedule my videos primarily because I feel that, you know, you can work ahead and it allows you to be very, very consistent. But let's go to public right here. And just to show you that if you click public, you could set this as a premiere, right? And a premiere says right here, just so you guys know, when you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. Like I said, you both can watch it together and you both can essentially put comments at the same time and you could continue that conversation. Here, schedule as well. Let's say, for example, I want to schedule it for August 6th at a specific time because everyone is going to be here and everybody's going to be able to, talk and have a great time. And then right here, you could set as a premiere, right? And you can see this right here, Premiere Classic, and countdown, right? Countdown means that you're going to have actually a countdown. I'm going to show you right here. So you see that? So once the video go live, that's kind of what you're gonna have, right? That's kind of like the time for everybody to gather, for everybody to be together and get ready for it. Or again, you could have all the choices out there. I haven't played with this, but you do have all the choices out here. But again, you can set it up as a premiere and then click schedule. So for example, let's say August 8th, because I don't want this to play as a premiere, and we're gonna click schedule. And as you can see, that video is right there. Reading glasses, you see the big word premiere right there. And if I go here, it says premiere this video scheduled to go public for premiere August 8th at 12 a.m. right? And that's that simple. So again, utilize the premiere if you want to engage with your audience. I think it's a fantastic way. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.